Hey there, I'm going to give a quick unboxing and a first impressions of the Dragonhawk Aion, I believe is how you would say it, A-I-O-N. Um, Open it up, it comes in a nice box. It's got the machine, it's got a battery already attached to the machine, a battery here, an adapter to connect the RCA cable to it. It does come with an RCA cable and a charging cable. I've actually got it on already, but you hold down the middle button to turn it on and off. It does have a 5-way switch, up, down, left, right, and center. Once it's on, you can tap the middle button to turn it on or off. Left and right toggles between voltage and battery percentage, and it does go all the way up to 12 volts, I believe. Yep, 12 volts, and all the way down to 4.5 volts. One thing I've noticed is that when you are manipulating using this 5-way switch here, it's very easy to turn on or off when you're not intending to. But overall, the machine feels, decently heavy in my hand. It's made of some nice aluminum components from what I can tell. Maybe some of these parts up here are plastic. But overall, I like the feel of it. Let me show you a couple things I noticed so far. So this is my first experience with a direct drive motor. I used the mass tour prior to this, and it does seem to have a fair amount of vibration to it. I don't know if that's typical or not, but it's a difference that I noticed coming from the mass tour itself. Another thing I noticed is the adjustment here as you turn to adjust the stroke, or I guess the throw of the needle. That seems like it would be difficult to maintain an intact bagging system if you were to adjust during a tattoo. It does have a premium feel during adjustment. It's got this nice clicking here, but I see that as being an issue. All right, I've stuck a cartridge in here. I will say that one of the things that's nice is as you turn the adjustment for the cartridge, it does not turn the cartridge. It keeps it facing forward. So that's pretty nice. It doesn't seem to have as much adjustment as the mass tour that I'm used to, but maybe it just turns it more for every click. The other thing that I noticed is that the battery unscrews up here, and it's unscrewed as I'm trying to turn the adjustment. So I don't know, for what it is. I think I got this for 189 bucks plus tax. For what it is, it definitely seems like it's worth the money. I haven't used it yet, but there's no reviews on this out here or unboxings or anything, so I wanted to put something out there.